iOS 26.4 is packed with a bunch of new features for Apple Music, Apple Podcasts, and more, with new ways to customize your iPhone. But the new alarm feature in iOS 26.4 that's built specifically for Apple Watch owners is taking all the spotlight. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Alarms are one of the most beloved Apple Watch features, and it's something that got users sleeping with a watch even before sleep tracking and sleep scores were a thing. When you wear an Apple Watch to bed, alarms set on your iPhone will by default only trigger on your watch. When your Apple Watch is in silent mode, alarms set off a series of haptic vibrations. This is fantastic when you're sleeping next to a partner or if there are kids asleep nearby that you don't want to wake. But if those vibrations can do nothing to you and you need a more forceful wake up, the Apple Watch taking over alarms may not be a good thing. Thankfully though, Apple now finally offers a solution. If you sleep with Apple Watch and need a loud iPhone alarm to get woken by, the update in iOS 26.4 allows you to adjust your sleep schedule alarm with a simple toggle called Always Play on iPhone. The setting is disabled by default, and you can find it when editing your sleep schedule in either the Clock app on iPhone or in Apple's Health app. If you're just using a one-off alarm, you won't find this setting, but for anyone who's set up a sleep schedule and has an Apple Watch, the new setting will be available. So if you want the benefits of sleep tracking and watchOS 26's new sleep score feature, but still need a loud alarm to start your day, iOS 26.4 has you covered. Are you a light sleeper or you needed this feature badly? Let us know in the comments. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.